Identifying the source of the problem is the first step in finding its solution. But sometimes it's hard to get a clear image of what's really going on upon first glance, especially in a tight spot. For fast inspection of hard-to-see areas, our inspection mirrors are designed with double ball joint links for 360 degrees of unrestricted viewing. The K-2 and K-2M extend from 11 1/4 to 15 1/4 inches, allowing you to see the inner workings of areas beyond arm's reach. For even greater range, the K2L and K2ML have extra long handles that telescope from 17 1/4 to 27 1/2 inches. In some applications, you may need magnification. The K2M and the K2ML have you covered. Our K2 series hold a rectangular mirror glass that can easily be replaced if it's ever scratched or broken, saving you money in the long run. Get a closer look with Ullman Devices classic inspection mirrors.